find the value of. I will tell you why am I doing these two questions. Once the problem starts, then you will understand. Quotient of 49. One is a non-perfect square, another is a perfect square. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. So 2 square into 5 square. Answer is n into 1 minus 1 by p1. 1 by 2. n into 1 minus 1 by p2. So these 10 cancel. So answer for this question is 40. Answer for this question is 40. Right? So the powers, there is no significance. There is no significance. There is no significance on the power of prime basis. There is no significance on the power of prime basis. Whatever the prime bases are there, please do not need to worry. There is no significance on the power of prime basis. These are nothing but 49 is 7 square. So 49 into 1 minus 1 by 7, which is 6 by 7. So answer for this question is 42. Answer for this question is 42. 3 examples to find out the quotient function of n. But we have not seen how come that quotient function became n into 1 minus 1 by p1, 1 minus 1 by p2, 1 minus 1 by p3. Please write down this. Next 2-3 slides are extremely important to understand the definition of quotient function. Just an application. Now write down the next question. HCF of a comma 72 equivalent to 1. A is less than or equivalent to 72. How many values A can take? How many values A can take or A will take? See this question. HCF of A comma 72 equivalent to 1. A less than or equivalent to 72. How many values A can take? This is nothing but 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. 2 cube into 3 square equivalent to 1. A less than or equivalent to 72. Am I right? Am I right? Now, if HCF of these two numbers is 1, can I say that these two numbers are co-prime to each other? These two numbers are co-prime to each other. If these two numbers are co-prime to each other, can I also say that the question is like this? How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 72 are not divisible by 2 and 3? Are not divisible by 2 and 3. Can I also write this statement as like this? How many natural numbers less than or equivalent to 72 are not divisible? Why the statement became like this? Why? Because HCF of these two numbers is 1. If HCF of these two numbers is 1, that means A cannot be divisible by 2, A cannot be divisible by 3. Are you all with me? Right? These, if two numbers HCF is 1, that means that two numbers are co-prime to each other. If they are co-prime to each other, that means A cannot be divisible by 2 and A cannot be divisible by 3. Now, see carefully to this explanation. See carefully to this explanation. Suppose total there are 72 natural numbers are there. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 72. Out of 72 natural numbers, A should not be, first A should not be divisible by 2. A should not be divisible by 2. For every 2 consecutive numbers, you take any 2 consecutive natural numbers, 1 comma 2. 2 is divisible by 2. 9 comma 10. 10 is divisible by 2. 14 comma 15. 14 is divisible by 2. 71 comma 72. one number is divisible by 2. That means out of every two consecutive natural numbers, one number is divisible by 2. One number is not divisible by 2. I hope it is clear. Next, it is not divisible by 3. Not divisible by 3 means for every three consecutive natural numbers, 4, 5, 6, 6 is divisible by 3. 8, 9, 10, 9 is divisible by 3. Out of every three consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 3, but not divisible means total minus numbers divisible. Total minus numbers divisible. So 72 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3. Answer is 24. Answer is 24. If two numbers HCF is 1, if two numbers HCF is 1, that means two numbers are co-prime to each other. Two numbers are co-prime to each other. Co-prime number means A should not be divisible by 2. A should not be divisible by 3. A should not be divisible by 2. A should not be divisible by 3. Because it is less than or equivalent to 72. For every 72 numbers, if they are written in the serial order, every two consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 2. One number is divisible by 2. How many are not divisible by 2? Total minus numbers which are divisible will give you the numbers which are not divisible. 1 minus 1 by 2. Out of three consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 3. How many are not divisible by 3? A comma 360. A comma 360 equivalent to 1. A less than or equivalent to 360. A less than or equivalent to 360. How many values A will take? How many values A will take? HCF of A comma 360 equivalent to 1. How many values A will take? Again see here. HCF of 360 is nothing but, if I simplify it, 2 180s are 360, 2 90s are 180, 3 30s are 90, 3 10s are 30, 2 5s are 10. 2 came how many times? 3 times. So HCF of 2 cube into 3 came how many times? 2 times. 3 square into 5 power 1 equivalent to 1. HCF of A comma 2 cube into 3 square into 5 power 1. You don't need to do anything. If I write first 360 natural numbers, for every two consecutive numbers, one number is divisible. Total how many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 2. For every three consecutive numbers, one number is divisible by 3. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 3. For every 5 consecutive numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 5. 1 minus 1 by 5. Totient function. What do you mean by totient function? Totient function is number of natural numbers less than or equivalent to n which are co-prime to n. Co-prime numbers means numbers which are not divisible by the prime basis. 360 into 1 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 3, 1 minus 1 by 5. So answer for this question is 360 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. 2 cancel. 15 24s are 24 4s are 96. 24 4s are 96. Why these 1 minus came into picture? 1 minus 1 by 2. Out of every two consecutive natural numbers, one number is divisible. How many are not divisible? 1 minus 1 by 2. 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 minus 1 by 5. 360 into 1 by 2 into 2 by 3 into 4 by 5. Third example.